Hello everyone, welcome to Samasto YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn MS Excel another tutorial. Today's topic is different type of chart. Select product name, hold Control button, then select quantity and rate. Go to Insert Column option. Here is the column chart. You can switch row or column data as your choice. Choose chart layout. Change chart title simply, click title box, equal, then click product table heading. Change axis title by typing manually. You can change column bar color. Now show or hide the legend, data labels, grid lines etc. if required. Select product name and value, go to pie chart. Click 3D pie chart. Resize and placed in the sheet. Change pie chart layout. You can move any chart to another sheet, or separate chart sheet. You can separate any portion of this pie chart, like this. Again select product name, quantity and rate. Go to line chart. Resize and placed in the sheet. Same way create other charts. Now create bar chart. It looks like same as column chart. It is an area chart. Scatter chart. Almost the same process for every chart creation. Among these 11 types of chart, column chart and pie chart are most time used, in various work purposes. Now insert line chart in a cell, click line Sparkline, select data range. OK. Insert column chart in a cell, click column Sparkline, select data range. Same for win or loss Sparkline. Now try making it yourself. The chart is a pictorial representation of data. So we use charts to display the comparison between the data, and viewers can easily know the difference in the data. This is the 5th episode of Excel tutorial. Previous videos link is in the description box. Never miss those videos. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon for more update. See you in the next tutorial.